It comes from Elio, who is
The mountain Fuji.
a professor. It separates the passage of supply air and exhaust air, and it keeps the strength of most high moisture. Look at this board. This board.
Osamdeset.
Also, for example,
To realize increasing heat exchanging amount by using the aluminum fluctuating heat exchanger. It's set to cooling mode. And high pressure gas by doing. I'm going to introduce two back manipulation. And now this room is minus 26 degrees.
HV model is for the higher temperature swimming pool in the gym. We call it hybrid VRF. Outdoor unit is the main for
The representative becomes 3.2 times larger than copper launcher. As a result, the effectiveness of the enlargement